Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to connect your iPhone to the GODOX wireless microphones and also use the app that you can download. So the only thing you're going to need starting out is going to be the microphones themselves. So let's just grab the microphones you guys can see here. We're just going to open this guy up and we're going to connect the receiver to this iPhone. Okay, so this is the USB-C version, as you guys can see here. I'm just going to plug this in and we're going to open our GODOX app. So what we're looking for is our GODOX app. Now, if you don't already have this, you can download this directly from your app store, whether it's iOS or Android, but we're looking for the GODOX mic app. And now that this is connected, as you guys can see, it's asking me to allow it to connect, and then we're able to control it, okay? So what's cool about this is that one, it's going to give you indicators of your power levels of your different devices. So if I take this microphone out right here, and you guys see this microphone is active, I'm going to go ahead and close the case for now. And you can see that we are getting sound from the microphone. So as I'm talking, the audio is being picked up by the microphone. Now, right here, you can adjust your LVs. You can bring that up, or you could bring that down based on whatever the audio requires. Now, you also have denoise that can be a gentle, or it can be very intense depending on what's going on. You have loudspeaker, you can turn that on or off, as you guys see here. So what's cool about this is that it really gives you a granular control over your microphone. So again, all you have to do is install the app on your phone, connect it, and then you'll be able to pre-adjust these microphones based on whatever the audio needs are going to be set up. So now you guys see I have this set to intense. So we have this orange lettering here. Let's go to gentle and turn it off. So when we turn it off, it just turns green. So anytime we're using any of the noise cancellation, you're going to have an orange light here on the microphones. That's just a great, visual indicator that you are in denoise functions for the microphones. So let's see what happens if we just press our denoise button here on the side of the microphone. Just like that, it automatically switches over. Now it's in intense, so let's see if we can get that to go to gentle. Nope, it seems to just jump right from intense. Okay, so that's what we're going to get. So if you guys were not aware of this application, it is free to install for your GODOX Cube-SC microphone. So definitely take a look at this application. I think it will increase your productivity and your sense of confidence when you're using the microphones, because you'll know exactly what your gain levels are set at. And to me, that is valuable information. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.